Hello, hey. Do you know how to get to 72nd?
Pardon?
Do you know how to get to 72nd Street?
Yeah, just keep walking that way. On the west side or the east side?
West side.
West side. Yeah, just keep
That's-
walking that way. You should hit it.
This way?
Yeah. Directly.
It's close.
You're gonna have to walk that way and then walk that way.
Actually, I'm just. I see you so beautiful. I just come to say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Just walking around?
Yeah, just walking.
You're from New York? I'm from
am
New York.
From New York.
What part?
I live here in Manhattan, Midtown.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, where are you?
I live also. I'm from Turkey.
Oh, wow.
Have you been in Turkey?
Never know.
Actually, I'm joking. I'm from Tajikistan.
Oh, okay.
I'm Persian. Yeah. What are you drinking? Just water?
Yeah, just a seltzer.
So you live in the city?
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
You didn't ask me where do I
Where
live?
do you live?
I live in Brooklyn.
Ah, what part of Brooklyn?
Do you know the Brooklyn really well?
Decently.
I live in Sheepshead Bay by Russian area.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so why you so beautiful? What do you eat? You veggie?
No, I'm not a vegetarian.
What do you eat meat? You eat anything?
I do eat meat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I like your hair. Like I've been running after you from right over there. I said hi, you didn't even stop.
I have my headphones in.
Oh really? What are you listening to?
The Beatles.
Oh, you like Beatles?
Yes, I do.
There is a song, Strawberry Fields Forever. Yeah?
That way. Strawberry.
Yeah, you check the Strawberry Fields all the time.
Oh, yeah.
So you are the big fan of John Lennon?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. You know by who he got shot? The question.
Can't remember his name.
Mark David Chapman. You know where is he from? Texas.
Ah,
You know what year?
it happened?
Yeah. You like Beatles? How you don't
I
know?
don't know. I don't know.
December 8, 1980.
Wow. Okay. I
Yeah.
was gonna say 1980. I was gonna say that.
Yeah. Do you know Yoko Ono? She still lives there. Yeah.
Yeah.
How old is she?
I don't. I'm assuming you know.
87.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
Yeah.
say 80 something.
Yeah. So do you go all the time there? You're so beautiful. I just come to say if we be friends, I get your number, exchange the numbers.
Sorry. I actually have a boyfriend. I'm sorry.
It's not about I'm married. It's not about that. I'm just saying like if I get your number for.
I don't think
Being
so.
friends.
I'm sorry. I don't really give my phone number out.
So
I'm
do you
sorry.
like Central Park? You come often?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah. I'd say I come here pretty often.
But where is your boyfriend? You go by yourself. Somebody gonna steal you. The guys like me.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Thank you. I do have to get home though. So.
Okay, I'm gonna say what? Cheers.
Oh,
This coronavirus. Bye. Take care.